All right, in this video, we're going to learn how to remove some app icons, right, from a Windows 11 laptop desktop section. Okay, take for example, there are some app icons I don't need here. Like this one, I'll right click, and when you right click, you see some options, select delete. It is gone because I don't like having them scattered around here. And another one I would like to remove here is this one. I'll click on it, right click, and I'll go with the delete option. Okay, it can be on the top part, it can be on the bottom part. So likewise, this one, right click and delete. Okay, so with this, once you're done, you can shift other ones to cover the areas, the gaps that were created. So this is how you can remove some icons from the desktop section of your laptop or computer. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you and see you some other time.